What's up, guys? Will H, and as you guys see by the quick unboxing there, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 has arrived. Pretty excited about this. When I first went over to Best Buy and checked out the display units, I was very impressed with the device, so I decided to pick it up. They had this in the graphite color. I liked the way this looked, so I ended up ordering this. But normally with my devices, I could pick up the lime or green or whatever it's called for that time with that phone. But this time I decided to get the graphite color because I thought it looked pretty good, and it still does. I'm glad I picked this color up. You can get this in the pistachio, the lavender, and the green, the cream color as well. Cream would have been my second choice, but graphite it is. I got the 512 gigabyte version, 12 gigabytes of RAM. Now I'm just going to be unboxing and giving my first impression of this device. It runs the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor. It's on Android 17. You get a 48 milliamp hour battery, quick charge 2.0, Wi-Fi 7, IP48, water resistant up to 5 feet, and it weighs only 7 ounces. I was very impressed when I saw the display units over at Best Buy. So the cover display, now this is a 5.5 inch OLED AMOLED display, 120 hertz refresh rate. And I would say it's the perfect size, nearly bezel-less right here. You got your punch hole right there. I'm going to be able to reach everything great. From the videos I see doing social media, watching videos and things like that on the front, you're going to be great as well. Now, we lost flex mode with this, but you still have tint mode as well. I'll go over a lot of that stuff when I come back and follow up. This is just an unboxing here and first impressions. You got your 7.6 inch OLED AMOLED display here, 120 hertz refresh rate, 3,000 nits of brightness, nearly bezel-less right there. But the first thing you see when you open it up, at least for me, was that punch hole camera right there. So I don't know how I feel about that. But it's thin, lightweight, 7 ounces, very nice. I like the aspect ratio here as well. So very nice. So over here, you're going to have your quick toggle panel here. On this side, you're going to have your notifications. And as you guys see strolling around, it's great. Great size here. I can grab it with one hand very easily like that. You can also use it in this orientation just like that as well. So let's go into the settings menu here. So this is running, like I said, One UI 9.0, Android 7. Let's go back out. And let's take a look at the display, which is, I've already put it in the dark mode. It came out of the box on 128 refresh rate. And let's take a look at the storage as well and see just how much storage we have on here out of the box. I haven't added anything hardly, if anything at all. So out of the box, out of the 512, mine is using 33.7 gigabytes out of the 512. So I like to have the 512 because I use my devices for, recording YouTube videos and stuff like that. So you got your 250 megapixel cameras there with a flash. At the top, you got your speaker. You got your microphones and SIM card tray. Got a little bit of Southern brand in there, Samsung. And then you got another speaker, your charging port, 2 microphones right there. Now, a complaint that I have been seeing is the 2 speakers are on one side, so that's not a stereo sound, not unless you got it in tint mode. So I have to check that out and see how I actually like that or don't like it. But yeah, thin, lightweight, very, very comfortable in the hand. You guys see how small it is next to my hand. So it's a very nice device. I'm looking forward to using it. This is just my first impression and unboxing. Will H, catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.